Daddy.
You better close your eyes. Daddy say close your eyes. Go on, Nana, close your eyes. Close your eyes. That's not closing. I can still see your eyes. What are you doing? Huh? Close your eyes. Where are you looking? Close. I can still see your eyes.
Daddy.
Eli, I said close your eyes, not cover your eyes. Go, Nanay. Come on. Daddy, come and get Eli. He don't wanna go to sleep.
Okay, I'm coming to get you.
You better go, Nanay, now. Daddy's gonna come and get you. Where's your towel, Eli? Where's your towel? Go get your towel and you go, Nanay. Come on. Where's your towel? Where's your towel? Where's your towel?
Daddy.
Where's your towel, Eli? Oh, here's the milk. Do you wanna drink the milk?
Happy. No. No.
Where's your towel? Get your towel. Get your towel first.
No.
Get your towel. Eli, where's your towel? Get it under your pillow. Come on. Get up. Up first. Get it under your pillow. Get up, Eli. Get up and get your towel.
Oh, go.
Don't be lazy. Get up. Where's your towel? There. Okay, go, Nanay. Tell him to close his eyes.
Close your eyes right now. That's not how you close your eyes. Close your eyes and stop laughing.